Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into the Milwaukee Electric Tools 247,520 M12 Compact Inflator. This isn't just any inflator, it's touted as the best Milwaukee M12 Inflator Kit on the market. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The Milwaukee 247,520 M12 Compact Inflator is designed to be your portable, go-anywhere tire inflator solution. It's perfect for topping off car tires, inflating sports equipment, and more, all powered by Milwaukee's renowned M12 battery system. First off, let's talk speed. This inflator can top off a car tire in under a minute, which is incredibly fast for a cordless device. It's equipped with a high-efficiency pump and motor, capable of reaching up to 120 psi, and can fill a light truck tire in just under 4 minutes. In terms of design, Milwaukee has crafted this inflator to be tough and durable. It's weather-resistant and features a reinforced cage to withstand impacts, making it suitable for various outdoor conditions and job sites. Here are some quick specs. It measures 6.5 inches in length, width, and height, weighing just 3.83 pounds. It operates at 0.88 CFM at 0 psi and 0.63 CFM at 35 psi, with a hose length of 26 inches and a gauge accuracy of +3%. The unit boasts a 50% duty cycle, ensuring reliable performance over extended use. Using the Milwaukee M12 Inflator is straightforward. It's powered by Milwaukee's M12 batteries, which are widely used across their tool lineup. The interface is intuitive, featuring an easy-to-read gauge and simple controls for inflation. Rapid inflation speed, robust build quality, compatible with M12 batteries, and easy to use. It may not be suitable for heavy-duty industrial use due to its size and battery-powered nature. In conclusion, the Milwaukee Electric Tools 247,520 M12 Compact Inflator is a fantastic addition to any tool collection, especially if you're already invested in Milwaukee's M12 ecosystem. It combines speed, portability, and durability into a compact package. If you're looking for a reliable inflator for everyday use, this is definitely worth considering. That wraps up our review of the Milwaukee M12 Compact Inflator. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and I'll see you in the next one.